what's going on. 21 games till I'm gone. 4 When it's time for smoke, they gon' cop out. This AK-47 made it Moscow. All these dead bodies got me seeing strange things. Both sides of the gun, I done dealt and felt the pain. Drive by, now we the walk up gang. I come from the 6 where they chalk up lane. Slide in and out, spend the night I doubt. Go real out. I come from the south. You was still in car, you was inside the house. I know he gon' be a rat one day. Right now we call him a mouse.
You know the come down, we really feel it soon. We come up, got them all oozing. Took a long way to take it out of Houston. Took the metro, we was still booming.
I done did a lot in the streets and I'm fat. PTSD like I came from Iraq. Made it from the gutter, then I'm tipping my hat. Don't go big on me, you might get hit with this mat. I don't need no host, you get burned like toast. I don't drink no liquor, but I'm smoking no mimosa. We been getting that Jewish money, everything is kosher. Bought myself a Venador and bought my bitch a roaster. Drive my Lambo to the stove, I'm a wave with my dough. I'm on Glenwood, not the Al, nigga the road. Talking on a pillow, nigga, that shit for the hoe. I never snitch on my enemy, on my bro. I'm so 21, dog, I'm so SG. I'm so 4L gang, I keep a Glock, not an XB. Hair so good, she not even white, I still call her Becky. Rich milk cost so much, I can press her button and see that's me.
You know the come down, we really feel it soothing. Come up, got them all oozing. Took a long way to take it out of Houston. Took the metro, we was still booming.
I made the same mistakes, all that fucking over. Leave me who I am today, slime, leave every the traits. Can't see me fast. I was in the school on C-class. I tried to pray, but it ain't working, I'm still popping. Turn the purple, smoke the pearl, need to see about it. All the pain I'm popping minded, like the antibiotic. I can't help it, I'm a zombie, I can't even hide it.
30 on the glizzy, got my pants dizzy. Playing around with Savage, you get shot in the kidney. So many drums, he gon' think a band hit him. Chopper clap his ass, he thought a hand hit him. I do the block, boy, JB on a brick. Make your crew do the electric slide with this stick. She don't get no new Chanel, she gon' throw a fit. I wanna buy that girl the world the way she sucked his dick. Fronted me some bags, I ran out the same night. When I was in jail on my mama, I ain't kite. Niggas know I'm solid, I shoot and I fight. You just wear Adidas, but in real life I got stripes. I got lots of stripes, all my niggas shites. You can roll the dice, you might lose your life. Keep my destiny, you gon' want me, you know nothing nice. I just need one clock, now I just need one mic.
Atlanta Records.
Flexing on that bitch, hold up, flexing on that bitch. About a necklace on that bitch, hold up. Her friend gon' lick me like a freak, roll up. She and her feelings on the ground, roll up.
Flexing on that bitch, hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch, hold up. I ain't stressing about that bitch, hold up. 21 go get the stick, hold up.
Hold up, bitch, I like the ball, hold up, without no moving ball, hold up, bitch, I split your rent inside the mall, hold up, she got a nigga, but he broke, she lost,
hold up, at this private location, hold up, put them back in rotation, hold up, bitches on the immigration, hold up, going through the translation.
Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand. Hold up, bitch, my Rolex on fleek. Hold up, bitch, my diamonds on fleek. Hold up, I got gold on my teeth. Hold up, you got rainbow on your feet.
Hold up, corny niggas don't impress me. Hold up, never let a bitch dress me. Hold up, ain't no motherfucking judge check me. Hold up, I don't give a fuck about no ring.
Hold up, money make my old bitches hate. Hold up, bitch, you still stay on section 8. Hold up, my new bitch wetter than the lake. Hold up, and she love to let me paint her face.
Hold up, fell in love with some good.
、お疲れ様でした。今回、スーパーモトクロスコースということで、なかなかないコースなんですけども、内田、あとね、成績としてはね、トップ6の中で、最低限の、レースをしてくれたと思います。で、松木がちょっと予定を落としてしまって、ちょっと残念だったんですけど、一つ、感じる点だけなんで、みんなで笑えるように終えたいと思います。また応援よろしくお願いします。
お疲れ様でした。
お願いします。
And them drugs come in handy. Last name Hendrix, bitch, but no, I'm not Jimmy. Held up with no crown, I'm sure, but right like I the country. And I'm sipping codeine, tats all on my style.